Hey everybody, I'm back camping, fishing, Cherokee Lake, private property. Got permission from the property owner to camp here. Tent set up, firewood, more firewood on the truck. Going to build a fire in this thing. First time using that. Minnow trap, minnow bucket, stuff to cook and eat. Coleman stove, cast iron griddle, cast iron pot, cast iron skillet, Coleman coffee pot. Different things here. Oil. Gonna make some chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's, mild buffalo. Gonna make some hash browns. Tripod with a lantern, electric light. Gonna hook up to a battery to save my propane. Tent set up with 2 air mattresses. My wife's supposed to come and stay. Got a commode plumbed in. Plumbing works okay on that commode. Battery's charging over here. Got a kerosene lantern. Charging the battery. 2 coolers here. Makeshift cooler, a tote. Another cooler in my truck. Got my food in that cooler. Chocolate milk in that one. Various things in that one. Using everything out of this one first, because it's not a cooler, it's a plastic tote. Charging this battery on my jumper cables. Got another lantern under the battery. They say if you put a battery on the ground, it'll go dead. I don't know, but I always wanted to set it on something. Here at the campsite, I'm going to throw that minnow trap out with hot dogs and bread in it. Got plenty of propane. Got 5 of those green tanks. Gonna be cooking something. Brought some soup beans, chicken legs, chicken wings, hamburger meat, hamburger patties, bread, hamburger buns. Gonna be here 3 days and 3 nights. I'll make another video when I get something cooking or get a fire going. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it, and I'll be back.